So here it is. You like it?
Yeah! Thank you, Daddy!
So I got this package, this random package sitting outside of my shop. Kind of nervous to open it up. Ah! Oh, thought it was something. It was just paper, my bad. Let me get my glasses and you know I can't read all of this. I see paper in here, now I got words. Give me a second. My glasses are a little blurry. Blurrier than my regular vision. Steam cleaner. This don't look like no steam cleaner in here. What is this? Hey, I know this. Hey, can you wrap my PS5? Thanks, Mellow and Terror. Oh, and they drew me something. You know what that means. I gotta wrap all of these panels. You already know. This is too easy for me. Let's give it a little challenge. I cannot use a squeegee at all. So let's figure out the best way on how to wrap these things if I can't use a squeegee. First off, hold up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then I suggest you go ahead and subscribe now because I'm gonna give away more tips and tricks. And if you haven't realized, when we hit the 100,000 mark on our subscribers, we're gonna go and find somebody's car to wrap. That is in our subscriber list in the US, and every 100,000 subscriber that we get when we hit the next 100,000, we're gonna go wrap someone else's car in our subscriber list. So I suggest you go ahead and subscribe now. First things first, we gotta prep it. Everybody likes to just, oh, I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap it. It's still a panel that has a little dust and dirt on it, and fingerprints and chicken fingers, smudges, and I don't know what that is. It's just a little smudge of dirt. All right, that's questionable, but let's go ahead and get to this. Oh, I love my kids. We do not need to wash clay bar, but we do need to degrease, and that's with 70% isopropyl alcohol. As we're wiping this down, I love doing this little things for my kids. You know, it's always enjoyable for me to see their faces when I do some spectacular stuff for them or for their birthdays or holidays. But usually they're here with me wrapping these, but it's a school day, so yeah. I'm gonna finish this before they get out of school. PS5s are very easy to wrap because these panels come off so easy and smooth. Now I got a new tool that not too many people have seen before. And every time I promote this tool that I've created, 3D printed, if you want the file, DM me, or if you actually want the actual piece, you don't even know what I'm talking about, do you? I bet you're asking like, bro, like you keep talking about this tool, what tool is it? All right, wait. I broke the table. I almost broke my blade, that's what I almost broke. This tool right here. This is a vacuum seal wrapper. I love this. Let's see how well it actually works. Okay, it does fit within the parameters. Now this is our smaller one that we have. We do have bigger ones that are coming out, such as the 18-inch by 18-inch and a 24-inch by 24-inch. So this one's a 12 by 12. Let's see how we can knock this out and make it very easy for us to wrap this. Now I do see some intricate parts on here, much more intricate than the other panels, but it's not scary to me. Let's do this. Fortunately, we do not have a big enough piece of vinyl of red because I know my kids love red, but I'm gonna make it work. All right, but there's a little small problem right here. We don't have enough vinyl to fully cover this, but we'll figure this out. For my kids, I'm gonna make sure I figure that out. What? Now let's see if we can just take a little piece of something. All right, let's set you down. Can't do too many things at once. Try to. Boom, that's all we needed. It's a little TLC right here. Tug on it, where's the heat gun? God dang it. I'll figure that out. Let me go get the heat gun real quick. It's way over there. Oh, there's one right there, I see it. Okay, turn you this way, sandwich you right here. These should have magnets. This will make it a lot easier. Let's take you, put you right in here, nice and snug. Let's turn you on. It's gonna get a little louder here, y'all. Now let's turn on the heat. We can't use a squeegee, but he did not say anything about us using our hand. Let's do what we can do. Small problem, I see that in the tougher areas, it likes to crease, but in the easy areas, it lays down very nicely. That's cool. Well, at least it lift up right where I needed it to. Jesus, almost burnt my hand. It's hot. Since I can't use a squeegee, I'll make it work. Now everything looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and make sure that these edges are good. All right, now let's cut this stuff out. Man, I gotta hurry up. My kids are coming home soon, and they wanna see this done before they get to the house. The hardest panel's done. Now let's get to some easier panels. Glad we got that one knocked out of the way first because doing this one last kind of would have been aggravating. At least I got to understand and get a feel. Oh, almost missed out on one cut. Done. Now these next ones, we can use this, but the problem is I don't have enough vinyl really. I got something for this. I know that these flatter panels, I can easily wrap without using this, but I know using this will make my life go a lot quicker and a lot smoother. So I'm gonna use it. Why? Because this tool is that much better, that much smoother. As you can see, I didn't have to use a squeegee at all. Now, yes, you can use your gloves to squeegee down the rest of this. Let's use the right tool. See if I got yeah, there we go. Getting a little dull. We've been using it for about 6 months now. Don't you go nowhere. I need you. Oh, crap. Well, for this one, I am going to just wrap this one myself. Well, how about this? Let's see if I can try that. I get it. I see what's happening. We're gonna make it work. All right, now that one wasn't as easy, so follow the instructions. Make sure you have enough vinyl to cover up at least a 12 by 12, because this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna be playing around with it more and more, and it's just wasting time. Don't waste time. Now, we can easily just lift this off and then wrap around our edges. 2, done. Let's do the larger piece. This almost didn't fit in there. Let's see if we can makeshift some vinyl to stretch and be that long for it. We're not even gonna stretch it. We're just gonna put 2 pieces together like we did with the little small piece. Yeah, I'm not gonna just dirty up my shop. I just cleaned it. I just cleaned the whole shop too. That took hours. No, I'm short, golly. I got something for this last one. Let me see if this will actually work. This is not the last one though. This is the second last. What? Only got 5 more minutes. Oh my gosh, all right. Let's go. Oh, I gotta turn this on. All right, I know, I gotta hurry it up. All right, I can't take too much time on these edges now. I'm under 5 minutes left. Let's see. Last one. Let's try this out and see how long it's gonna take just by without using this tool. And this is the most simple one right here. So let's move. Now what I am gonna do is try to seal this off right here so at least I can try to capture the edges. Now let's go ahead and cut our corners and trim our edges. If you've seen that face, that was my determined face. Like I was really focused just then. This is another one. You see, when you see those faces, whether I'm rapping live, that is a determined face. That means also let him cook, okay? If you mess up my cooking, ooh, don't mess with the chef. Don't do that, don't do that. All 3 of them are done. I am not cutting out that because I would hate for me to cut it all wrong and it's just, ugh. I'm gonna leave that PS symbol the way it is. Now let me hurry, rush home, put these panels on and see how my kids really like it. So here it is.
What? That's crazy!
You like it?
Yeah!